Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, are you just seeing me for the first time? My name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, so in case you're new here or you have been watching my video all this while, you have not subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel. Just join us, just hit the subscribe button and join this family, because here we learn about simple solution to life. So this hour, I want to show you something. And this is how to get rid of lack, poverty in your life. This is a simple spiritual process that you will do on your own, by yourself, at home, in your room, on your bed, while you're sleeping. Yes, sleep your way out of poverty, out of lack, spiritually. Yes, because I always tell us, spiritual controls the physical. Yes, anything that you cannot get in the realm of the spirit, you cannot get it in the real life here. But when something takes place in the realm of the spirit, no matter how life tosses you, no matter how life twists you, you will arrive at that place. You will get it. And anyone that wants to stand your way to prevent you from achieving the will of God, that blessing in your life, they will die. They will kill themselves, because God has ordained you to get to that place. And if you have been suffering from lack of knowledge, God has led you to this channel today to see this particular message of ours. And when you follow it, you will achieve that your destiny in life. Yes. Without shouting too much, without talking too much, without taking it too long, you will be needing cinnamon powder. Yes, I have this brand with me, cinnamon powder. Okay, if you don't know what a cinnamon is, this is a cinnamon. This is cinnamon stick. Okay, this particular one is grade 1. Yes, this one is spiritually potent. But all those ones that you see them on video, on pictures, photos, looking very fancy, those ones, they are carved out of the inner part of the cinnamon tree. It doesn't contain enough spiritual potency like this one. This is grade 1. This one is highly spiritually potent. Yes. If you pound this and sprinkle it around your shop, you will get customers. Yes, you make sales. You will not consume your costs. Is it cost price, or what do they call it? Your there's profit, there's cost price, there's profit. So when you buy something, you go and sell it, then what you use to buy that thing is the cost price, and the sale, whatever is on top of it, is your profit. Some people, until you finish your profit and start eating your capital, you will not be able to make another sale. It won't be like that with you. Money will be meeting money in your account, in your pocket, in your bag, in your wallet, in your house, in your life, in every aspect of your life. Yes, cinnamon has that spiritual efficacy to do that. But in this our particular recipe, we are not going to be using cinnamon stick. But in case you don't have cinnamon powder in your house and you have just cinnamon stick in your house, don't worry. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to break this, like the cinnamon stick you have in your house, you break it into pieces, then you put it inside mortar, pound it a little. If you don't have mortar and you want to mill it, you want to grind it with your blender directly, you can grind it into powder. Make sure it's in powder form. Okay, so when you have this, then and you'll be needing your table salt. Okay, yes, today we'll be talking about table salt, because some of you want to say use sea salt. You say, I don't have sea salt. Where can I get sea salt? But you have salt in your house, so use this one. This is what you have. Okay, so you put this together, the salt, just this salt. I always say, just take a pinch of it. And when you want to use anything for spirituality, don't use this finger like this. It renders that thing impotent. I've uploaded a video before. I talked about how to use this finger to neutralize poison, to neutralize evil thing, to neutralize whatever the enemy has done for you, done against you, whether inside food or whatever, or drink. You can use this finger. But in this particular spirituality, we want to talk about how you can use salt and cinnamon powder to attract wealth to your life. Yes, this time around, I'm not going to beat with it, because some of you, after 5 minutes watching my video, you will just go off and say, you know, at the end of the day, she's going to ask us to use it to bait, and I just leave. You shit yourself, because even this video I'm uploading, you're not paying me for it. Yes, so be patient and see it to the end. Can endure my eyes. Let me do my eye for you. So now, this particular one, you just take your cinnamon powder. You can mix the two together, and you can decide to just apply this one. See, in your bed, you have to use, if you're undergoing this thing, you can do it for like a week, 1 whole week. That's 7 days. You do it for a week. Every night, you just put the kind of bed spray that will accommodate, not white bed spray, because it will stain it. Yes, now cinnamon powder can stain your bed spray. Look at the color. Okay, yes, so you are going to use something darker color. Yes, flower or darker color of bed spray, bed sheet. Just cover your bed. That, you know, some people put their bed in layers. The first one, the second one, and then the third one. So you can decide to put it on the first layer or the second layer, whichever one that you want, because that other last layer is the one that you use as duvet to cover yourself. But the inner one, you just sprinkle, because you'll be lying down on top of this. Yes, you'll be lying down on it. See, when they're telling you something about spirituality, it looks stupid. It looks like one is joking, especially Medlock. I'll be smiling and you think I'm playing, but it's working. Yes. So let me be serious now. Yes. When you put this cinnamon powder, you carry it, then you sprinkle it on top of your bed in the center. You sprinkle it like this. Then you carry your salt. Are you seeing it right now? When you carry this salt like this now, you just carry it also, and then you sprinkle it. But let me tell you something about spirituality. You don't use this hand to carry something. If you want to use the whole finger, use the whole finger like this. If you cannot use just this one to fetch it, use the whole finger. So now you fetch it like this, and then sprinkle it, and be saying that thing. Say, oh God in heaven, let money locate me. If it is money you're asking for, okay? Mostly cinnamon is associated with money, then money and good luck, and then salt is associated with cleansing, neutralizing any negativity. Because some people, something is following them. That is why they are not progressing. Yes. Even if you go and put them in Wall Street, make them the director or whatever, let their salary be as fat as anything, their allowances be as fat as anything, they will come back home empty-handed. One thing or the other must happen. so that the enemy, the demon that is following you, will be rendering whatever you are earning useless. So use this, okay? And yesterday I showed us the leaf of favor. Yes. So some of you are already placing order for it. You can send it to you wherever you are. This is leaf of favor. Yes. Good luck. Yes. Anything at all that you want to use to attract. Are you suffering from Oshi? Are you suffering from bad luck, bad blood? People don't like you. People don't do things with you. People don't blend with you. People don't vibe with you. Use this. Yes, it works. Yes. So, this one is the cheapest product we have. Yes, I make it very, very easy so that everybody can afford it if you want to place order for it. Leaf of favor. Yes, or lucky leaf, whichever one you want to call it. Call it like that and we'll understand. Yes. So guys, see you again in our next video because I am running late for my other activities. Okay, so thank you, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Just give me thumbs up if my content make any sense to you, and share my video with your friends and family. Thank you and God bless. Bye.